As you progress through your career in AEC, one thing is certain, that you can transition from an employee that does to a leader that decides. And with that, the concept of fun can be washed away along that journey. We have to remember to keep things fun and to really enjoy what we do as professionals. Now, in this week's engineering management lesson, our guest, Michael Reeder, who is the CEO and also the Principal Geotechnical Engineer at Group Delta Consultants, will be diving more into this topic. Let's jump right in.
One of the things I talk about with, young engineers, young folks in the industry is what I call the fun curve. Early in your career, you're having a lot of fun. You're on new projects, you're meeting new people, you're finding a new place for happy hour, all that stuff. It's all fun, new colleague. As you progress through your career, you go from staff to project to senior. You're getting paid more, but oftentimes you're having less fun. You're becoming more disconnected with the project. You're going up the salary curve, you're going down the fun curve. And the hardest thing to do is to still have fun, still be connected with the project. And while everybody wants to make more money, but what they don't realize is they're paying you more money to have less fun. And people don't think of it in those terms, but the other thing is as your career progresses, you're paid less for what you do and more for what you decide. And so your ability to decide on who to hire, who to not work with anymore, what project to take on, what proposal to sign, and nobody's trained in that in engineering. So understand that you need to learn how to make good decisions and, managing people, build the right team like we talked about while still having fun. It's a balancing act, but think of it in terms of, the fun curve and learning how to make the right decision as that becomes more important in your career.
All right, so I hope that you all have enjoyed that lesson shared with us from Michael and really understand the importance of truly enjoying the work that you all do. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing to our channel because we do put out videos like this on a weekly basis to help engineers to become better managers and leaders in the AEC industry. I hope to see you all next week.